Okay, this lesson is about bank reconciliation. You did this in Accounting 1. It's a little more automated in QuickBooks. So when you receive your bank statement in the mail and you're ready to reconcile your bank statement, you will click the Reconcile button here. You will choose the account to reconcile. You can reconcile other accounts. For example, you could reconcile your credit card account if you wanted to. We're going to reconcile the checking account. You would put in the correct statement date that was on your bank statement, and then you would put in the ending balance. Okay, if you had a bank service charge, which most of the time you will, you would put it in here. Then you would select the correct expense account for that bank service charge to go into. If you earned interest on your account, you would put that in here. Then you would choose the correct income account. That's going to be an other income for the interest earned to go into. So then we hit continue. Now on the reconciliation you have two sides. The left side is for all checks and payments that you have written, and the right side is for all your deposits. So when you're looking at your bank statement, you would carefully go through and check off whatever checks have cleared through the bank. If they had not cleared through the bank, then you would leave them off. Over here on the right side, you would check all the deposits that have cleared through the bank. There may be deposits in transit, remember, that have not made it to the bank yet. So what your purpose is to have a difference here of 0. Obviously, I do not. This is just for, I'm just trying to show you how to do a bank reconciliation. But you need to have a difference of 0. If you do not hit the Reconcile Now button. If you do not have a difference of 0, for example, you didn't enter in a check that the bank has recorded, or you didn't enter in a deposit or credit that the bank has recorded, then you need to hit Leave and go and enter those in where you need to enter them in at. And then once you were done fixing things, for example, if your bank collected an accounts receivable for you, then you don't have it recorded in your records, but they have it recorded in their records. So you would need to record that into your records. So if they recorded a payment for you, you would go to Receive Payments, choose what customer paid you, choose the correct invoice it needs to be applied to, save it, etc. And then it would appear in the reconciliation. Once you were through, you would go back to the reconciliation. All the same information would still be in there that you put, and you hit continue. Once you get this difference down to 0, then you can hit Reconcile Now. After that, you can look at a reconciliation report. Go to Reports, and then we're going to go to Banking, and then we can go to look at the previous reconciliation report. And I don't have a previous reconciliation report on here, but you will once you do your reconciliation in this chapter. And then you would be able to click Display and actually see a reconciliation report and all the checks that have cleared and all the deposits that have cleared and your bank service charge, etc.